Do you have a kitchen space that you're trying to give a facelift and you're on a very tight budget? If that's your predicament right now, stay tuned to this video to the end because I'm sharing 3 amazing tips to help you achieve that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina Odera, your favorite space fairy at Kakodot. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 amazing tips with you to help you give that kitchen a beautiful facelift and still do it on a very sustainable letter. Tip number 1 has to do with the hardware. Exchanging or changing your hardware on your kitchen cabinets. You'll be amazed to what such a little detail can do in the big picture of your kitchen space. And the good thing about this hardware option is that it comes in different varieties and finishes. It could be matte, it could be gloss, it could be of different colors. I mean, there are so many hardware stores and vendors you can try both online and in the stores. So you can just try get the pictures, create something that looks like a mood board against the color of the cabinet that's in your present kitchen and see if it matches or if it suits your taste. Then order it. Tip number 2 has to do with your existing wall treatment. So now for most people, you might usually think it's fine to have all the 4 walls of your kitchen tiled up from ceiling to floor. But today I'm going to share a tiny secret with you, which has to do with taking advantage of your dry wall and then saving money by utilizing your wet wall with your tiles and then working with wallpapers or wall treatments such as paint colors with your dry wall. You'll be surprised to how much beautiful the kitchen space will look after you've taken advantage or separated your dry wall from your wet wall. It is always a very big difference in regards to aesthetics and then your visuals in that kitchen. My final tip will have to do with fixtures such as your tap fixtures. You can just get that replaced and find something a bit fancier or of a different finish such as matte or gloss in a different color and see how it suits in your kitchen. You'll be surprised, as I would always say, to how such tiny detailing would give your kitchen space a brand new. I'm going to give you a plus tip today. You know I love to add additional tips to whatever I'm sharing most times, and I find it very necessary. So my additional tip is for you to clean your kitchen space. It's very important. Open up the cabinets, clean the sink area, your work area, clean the countertop, clean your cookers. It's very important to have a very clean and good hygiene in your kitchen space because I mean that's where you get food from that gets ingested by you and your family. I hope these tips were very useful to you and I hope you actually try them out today whenever you get to see this video. And please leave me or indicate in the comment section if you've tried these tips in your kitchen space and tag me to the space. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, I'll have my links to my Facebook account and Instagram account attached in the section below. Please do subscribe and share the video as we are growing our beautiful, lovely tips sharing family here on YouTube. Cheers.